Children, in this video we are going to learn about oxides of nitrogen. There are 6 oxides: nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, dinitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, dinitrogen tetroxide, dinitrogen pentoxide. So there are 6 oxides. Structures, Lewis dot structures. This structure is somewhat wrong. That's why I'm going to teach it. Now in the note, just to watch it carefully. 1 or 2 structures I'll teach. The remaining you can draw. It is very easy only. So you follow what I'm going to say. Okay. Oxides of nitrogen. First one is nitrous oxide, formula N2O. Nitrogen atomic number 7, oxygen atomic number 8. So writing configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Outermost 5 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Outermost 5 electrons. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Outermost 6 electrons. So 2 nitrogen atoms present here. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 oxygen atom 6 is equal to 11 available electrons. 11 available electrons. But here we are having 3 atoms, 2 nitrogen, 1 oxygen. To become into octet, 3 8s are 24. 24 electrons we need. But we are having only 11 electrons. So remaining 11 electrons we are having. Yes, 3 8s are 24. Sorry, 16, not 11, 16. Sorry, I wrote it wrong. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 6, 16. So 16 electrons are available. Shortage means 8 electrons. 8 electrons shortage. So if we are converting it into bond, 8 by 2 is equal to 4 bonds. The shortage electrons are written as bonds. Shortage electrons are written as bonds. So 2 nitrogen atom, 1 oxygen atom, 4 bonds, 2 bonds writing like this, 2 bonds writing like this. So the 2 bonds 4 electrons present, here 4 electrons present. So totally there are 16 available electrons. 8 electrons gone for the bond, remaining 8. Remaining 8 electrons we are having. Now where we have to fill this electron 8. See, consider this oxygen 2, 4. Because already 2 bonds are there. 2, 4, 6, 8 balanced. So 4 has gone. Remaining 4 more electrons. These 4 more electrons I can write it here. 2, 4. So this nitrogen 2, 4, 6, 8 balanced. I utilized these 4 electrons. So at last is 0. Now I can write the resonance structure for this. N triple bond NO. Why I am not writing triple bond here? Because oxygen is divalent, nitrogen is trivalent. So I am writing triple bond here, single bond here. Other way of writing this one. 4 bonds we have to satisfy. So 3 bonds and 1 bond. So to balance, here only 1 bond. So 6 electrons. 2, 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. 8. Remaining 8 plus 6 has gone. Remaining 2 I am writing here. 2, 4, 6, 8 balanced. Now there are 2 types of charges we have to place it. One is positive charge, the other one is the negative charge. For shortage, positive charge you write. For excess, write the negative charge. So, how will you find the shortage? How will you find the excess? Oxygen should have 6 electrons around it. Nitrogen should have 5 electrons around it. See this oxygen? This bond means it's a covalent bond shared by nitrogen as well as oxygen. To count it, we have to consider only the electrons belong to nitrogen and belong to oxygen. So oxygen 2, 4, here 2. Here totally 4, 2 for nitrogen, 2 for oxygen. So oxygen 6, it is fully balanced, so we don't want the charge. Nitrogen, if you are considering here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons, only 4, but we need 5 electrons. So shortage means plus sign, you have to write it here. Consider this one, nitrogen 2, 4, 6. 6 electrons are here, but nitrogen contains only 5 electrons. 5. Excess, so negative sign. Similarly, this one you consider. This oxygen you take 2, 4, 6, 7. 7. Excess, so minus. Nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4. Shortage means plus. Nitrogen 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. So in the book it is given us wrong. The charges it is given us wrong. We change it. How I taught now. This is the way of writing Lewis dot structures. One more structure we can write. Nitric oxide, NO, nitrogen 5, oxygen 6, totally 11 electrons, available electrons, but there are 2 atoms, 2 8s are 16, shortage 16 minus 11, shortage 5. So 5 is the odd number, we want only even numbers. So select the least even number, that is 4. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. 2 bonds, N, double bond, O. Double bond of 4 electron has gone. So 11 minus 4. Available electrons 11. 11 minus 4, 7. Among the 7, 2, 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 has gone. Remaining 3. Here 2. Here 1. 3 electron has gone. Odd electron present here for nitrogen. Odd electron. Okay. Now writing the charges, that nitrogen double bond O, that bond length is here 115 picometer it is given. 115 picometer. Since this bond is odd, see, it is incomplete bond. Now to write the charges, here you see oxygen 2, 4, 6, 6, okay, 2, 4, 6 balanced, no charge. Nitrogen 2, 3, 4, 5 balanced, no charge. Okay, one more structure we can write. Dinitrogen trioxide N2O3 or nitrogen sesqu oxide, the other name. So 2 nitrogen, 2 5s are 10 plus 3 oxygen, 3 into 6 18, totally 28 electrons present. But there are 5 atoms, 2 nitrogen, 3 oxygen, 5 8s are 40. 40 electrons should be there. Available electrons 28. So shortage means 12 electron. 12. If you are dividing by 2, there are 6 bonds. So 2 nitrogen, 3 oxygen, 6 bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bond means 12 electron has gone. Among the 28, 12 electron has gone. So remaining 6, 1, 6, 16. The 16 left. In the oxygen, already 4 having. So 2 more electrons. So 4 has gone. Remaining 12 electrons. If you are considering this oxygen, only 2 electrons present. So 2, 4, 6. 6 has gone. Remaining 6 electrons. Here 2, 4. 4 electron has gone. Remaining 2. 2 where we can replace. We can place it for this nitrogen. 2 nitrogen. So Lewis dot structure, resonance, N, double bond N. Here also we can write as double bond O, here single bond O. This way also you can write. Here single bond. So single bond means 2, 4, 6. Double bond means 2, 4, 4. Here double bond means 2, 4. Then this nitrogen 2 electron. Okay. Now we can balance the charges. This nitrogen, if you are taking 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, balanced. Oxygen 2, 4, 6 balanced. This oxygen 2, 4, 6 balanced. Nitrogen 2, 3, 4. Only 4 having. There is a shortage. Shortage means plus. Plus sign. Here 2, 4, 6, 7 having 7. Excess. So minus. This oxygen minus. 2, 4, 6, 7 minus. This is plus. This oxygen 2, 4, 6 balanced. Consider this one. This nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4. Shortage. So plus. Oxygen 2, 4, 6, 7 excess. So minus. This nitrogen 2, 4, 5 okay. Oxygen 2, 4, 6 okay. 2, 4, 6 okay. So such a way you have to draw the minus sign and the plus sign. Remaining structures you can go through the book and you can draw and work out in the note.